starts now. Ever felt like data is just noise, information overload, knowledge without direction, wisdom untapped, and purpose? Well, sometimes it feels like a ghost in the machine. What if there was a bridge, a semantic superhighway, connecting all these dots across different platforms and industries? That's where DIKWP comes in. It's not about who owns what, it's about building an open radar for collaboration. So, how do we use this radar? Think of it like a treasure map. We've got markers. A0 means they're practically shouting DIKWP from the rooftops, direct hits. A3 points to high-stakes players needing transparency. Then there's P0 through P3, telling us who to talk to first. The key is adjacency. Are they working on similar stuff? If it's an A0, you don't just send a cold email, you invite them to co-build something cool. For A3, maybe a pilot project in a critical sector. It's about smart matchmaking, not random knocking on doors. See that Google Patents node? That's your starting point for mapping the tech landscape. Alright, let's zoom in on the VIP list, the top 40 candidates. First up, the S//. These are the OGs, Hainan University's team. They practically wrote the book on DIKWP patents and blueprints. The DIKWP Artificial Consciousness crew? They're the global hub for this stuff. And Google Patents. That's your foundational map for tracking who's doing what. Then we have the cloud titans, Alibaba Cloud, Baidu, Tencent, Huawei. They're not explicitly using DIKWP yet, but their platforms for data integration, agent tools, and RAG are screaming adjacency. They have the scale, the tech, and the potential to make DIKWP mainstream. Why target them? Because they're already adjacent, hugely influential, and ripe for a collaborative upgrade. So why is this DIKWP thing actually useful? Forget buzzwords for a second. DIK acts as a semantic bridge. It takes raw data, gives it meaning, connects it to relevant knowledge, infuses wisdom, and ultimately drives purposeful action. It transforms intent into evidence-backed decisions. Crucially, this report isn't about claiming ownership or pointing fingers. It's purely about opening doors for collaboration. It's designed to be future-proof, ready for the complexities of AI governance and beyond. The real magic lies in that synergy, linking purpose with evidence, knowledge, and actionable steps. It's about making sense of the chaos and acting on it intelligently. Okay, enough theory. Pick your battlefield. Are you diving into research, targeting cloud platforms, exploring enterprise tools, or focusing on high responsibility sectors? Grab this radar, use it to pitch your ideas, run pilots, and publish results. Stay curious, stay collaborative, and get creative. The goal isn't just understanding DIKWP. It's about building a smarter, more transparent, and purpose-driven future together. Let's make this happen.